Buying a sofa online usually comes with a quiet fear. Will it look cheap, feel stiff, or regretfully dominate the room? The Vesgantti 100-inch faux leather sectional answers that fear with confidence. It shows up looking composed, intentional, and far more expensive than expected. The kind of piece that immediately changes how a room feels without demanding attention. The first thing that stands out is the faux leather. This isn't the shiny, that plastic-like material that cracks and squeaks at the wrong moment. Vesgantti's PU leather is soft, breathable, and convincingly upscale. It captures the clean appeal of genuine leather while avoiding the maintenance and price tag that usually come with it. The camel tone, in particular, carries a quiet elegance, blending modern and mid-century influences in a way that feels current without chasing trends. At 100 inches wide, this sectional offers generous seating without becoming overwhelming. 3 people fit comfortably, 4 without awkwardness. The L-shaped layout, paired with a movable ottoman, allows the sofa to adapt to different rooms and moods. The ottoman can extend the seating for lounging, act as a casual coffee table substitute, or shift sides when the room needs a new rhythm. That flexibility matters more than expected, especially in apartments and multi-use living spaces. Comfort is where this sofa quietly wins people over. The high-resilience foam cushions strike a thoughtful balance between support and softness. The seats don't swallow you, but they don't push back either. Long conversations, movie marathons, and hosting heavy days feel easy on the back and hips. Removable armrest pillows add another layer of comfort, giving the sofa a relaxed feel without looking sloppy. This is a couch that invites people to stay seated a little longer than planned. Practical details show up everywhere. The faux leather is waterproof and pet-friendly, wiping clean with a dry or damp cloth. Spills, crumbs, and daily messes don't linger or stain, which makes it especially appealing for homes with kids, pets, or frequent guests. Side pockets tucked neatly into the leather panels offer storage for remotes, books, or magazines, small features that quietly improve everyday living. Underneath the style is a structure that feels reassuring. Solid wood frames support the armrests, backrests, and seat base, giving the sofa a sturdy, grounded presence. With an 800-pound weight capacity, it handles daily use confidently without feeling delicate. The clean lines and minimalist silhouette allow it to work across decor styles, from industrial apartments to softer, mid-century inspired homes. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward. The sectional arrives in 2 boxes, sometimes separately, but the process requires no tools and follows simple steps. Cushions and pillows arrive vacuum-packed and need time to fully expand, a small exercise in patience that pays off after about 72 hours. Once assembled, the sofa feels cohesive and solid, not like a collection of parts pretending to be furniture. What truly sets the Vesgantti sectional apart is how consistently it exceeds expectations for its price. Many expect a compromise when choosing faux leather or ordering a sofa online. Instead, this couch delivers presence, comfort, and reliability. Even when minor shipping issues arise, customer support is responsive and committed to making things right, reinforcing the sense that this is a brand paying attention. The Vesgantti 100-inch faux leather sectional doesn't try to be flashy. It simply does everything it promises, and then a little more. It looks refined, feels comfortable, adapts easily, and holds up to real life. For anyone looking to anchor a living room with a piece that feels intentional and elevated without draining the budget, this sofa quietly earns its place.